Hi guys, Elizabeth here for my subscribers. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me when my husband had his surgery in November and everything went whatever. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell. I don't upload all that often, so YouTube won't necessarily show you my declutters unless you hit the notification bell. So it's free to subscribe. And let's get started. What happened is I received some Christmas gifts and that triggered like a declutter situation. Originally I was going to try to match one to one of the same type of item. That didn't really work for me. So let's get started. The first thing I received is this beautiful, it's a black sweater. I think it's showing a little blue on the camera with beautiful embroidery down the sleeves. And so, because I received a new sweater, I am going to get rid of another sweater I had that looks like it's been washed not one too many times, but probably 50 too many times. So I thought, this is great. I'm moving right along, same for same. Not necessarily. The next thing, my husband my husband gave me some unders from Victoria's Secret, some Victoria's Secret panties, and he gave me actually 10, and I only had one that had a hole in it, and I don't want to necessarily get rid of something I use just to get rid of something. So for the first item, I have a 1 for 1, and then I have 9 more items to make up for these other 9 panties my husband gave me. So the first is another sweater that's seen a little too many days. So the second is this sweater, which there's actually nothing wrong with it. I don't feel my best when I wear it, and since I have new sweaters now, I don't see any reason to keep it. So that's 2. This is a summer top that's a little worse for wear. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's getting all pilly and everything. So 3. A pair of shoes that have seen better days. So that's 4. Then it started to get a little wonky. I got a couple calendars for 5 and 5. An anniversary bag that I haven't used for probably 7 or 8 years. So that's number 6. I'll tell you, I was having a hard time finding stuff, which makes me kind of happy because I've done the KonMari a couple times. So it shows me my house is really, I'm really getting rid of a lot of clutter. This cleaning wand that if you push on it, it's got a real hard thing right in there, and I was afraid it was going to scratch the glass. So I believe that was number 7. And for number 8, I kind of just did a free-for-all kind of thing. I have a game, quiz game here that my husband and I have already played a few times and we're no longer interested in. And I received in the mail this Declaration of Independence and Constitution. I already have one, so I might as well pass that on. And this shows you I was really scraping. I got some plastic silverware and a pencil that I received in the mail that I don't need. And so that was number 8. So 8 or 9. Anyway, it's hard for me to declutter and count at the same time. So I figure that covers all of the new panties I received. I also received 2 ornaments. This one I received from my Secret Santa. It is a white peacock. And my other ornament, I usually have a tree upstairs. I've already packed it away, not thinking about this video. So I have 2 ornaments, and to declutter from getting those 2, for the first one, I'm getting rid of all these little silver small balls that I never use. I used to take crystal dishes and load them up with small balls. I haven't done that for years, so I'm going to pass that on to someone. And for the other ornament, I apologize, I don't have it. It's a United States Air Force ornament, white and blue. And I'm going to pass on my golden red small balls that I, would put in a different crystal item that I haven't done for years. So 2 ornaments in, a lot of the small ornaments out. And I'm almost finished. I received the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel 60 treatments. Now, before KonMari, I wouldn't have any trouble going and finding 60 things, but I'm now going to count this as one item. And I am going to, I have some items here in my play bags. These are just extra antiperspirants I've got, some perfume samples, some beauty samples that I've received in beauty boxes and Walmart beauty boxes and Play by Sephora beauty boxes that I just have decided are not for me, or the repeats of what I have. So I'm meeting up with friends in January and going to see if they would like any of those, and what they don't like I'll probably donate to a shelter. And then let's see, last but not least, I received a 3-month subscription to Petit Vour. It is a beauty box. It's a vegan beauty box. And for that, it's going to kind of stretch into the next video. I'm passing on all of my extra beauty bags from the Play by Sephora, which I did cancel in December. So I'm passing on those, and this is a 3-month subscription. I have canceled my Play by Sephora, but then I'm going to, I just purchased in January, because I'm filming this, the 2nd or 3rd of January. I'm going to get the BoxyCharm. So I thought, instead of just, since this is going to be 3 boxes full of stuff, besides these beauty bags, I'm going to do a declutter of all of my makeup. So I thought that would be kind of equivalent. I'd probably be getting rid of 3 boxes worth of stuff. So stay on for next video, and I am going to declutter my makeup. So thanks for hanging in there with me. If you do a what I got for Christmas, or a what I got for Christmas, 1 in, 1 out declutter type video, let me know. I love watching those kind of videos, and I will talk with you later. Bye.